There you go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is a glossy box video and it's coming to you live and direct from my kitchen because I have just got back in from work, from doing jewellery maker, and also I haven't actually been able to film at the moment because, excuse me 1 minute, stop it. We have a new dog. So in fact I can probably show you. There he is, look. Open. Oh, so that's open. So yeah, just sort of getting used to doing things like that. He's just laid down. So this is my glossy box. So this is my glossy box. It comes like so, and then I'll get it out. And the glossy boxes this month are Halloween themed, and you either get a trick box or a treat box. And I love this box. I got the treat box here, as you can see. So we've got the treat box. I really love that. That is fabulous. So I'm going to keep that, putting stuff in. I do love this colour, this kind of like mauvey colour. So let's unwrap it and see where we are. So obviously in the glossy box you get your card with all your bits and pieces on. So let's just dive on in. Okay then, so first off, let's see what's on the list. So we've got this Illamasqua anti-matter lipstick, and it's Nebula. Is that what this is called? Yep, it's Nebula. You can see there, I don't know if you can see that. So I've actually been wanting to try this brand for a while. Oh, that's quite a nice little, it's got like the logo on the top, just there. And then you've got the name just on there. And actually it's really nice because it's ergonomically designed. So it's got like a bit of a curve on it. So when you hold it, it's actually quite nice. Oh, that's a nice colour. So we've got this like pink tone colour. This is what we've got here. Kind of matches my hair a little bit. So that's pretty cool. So we've got that. And that retails for £20 for that. So there you go, you've got your money back already. And then, let's flip it over. We have got the MUA Makeup Academy Strobe and Glow highlight kit, and this is pink luster. Now I actually have one of these, so this is going to be going into my giveaway box that I'm slowly putting together. So as you can see, it's still got the plastic wrap on. So that is going to go into my giveaway box because I already have one of those. So next we have got the Luna by Luna Cosmetics, and this is a translucent powder. Luna by Luna is hailing from New Jersey. It's cruelty-free setting powder, sets your makeup to keep your skin smooth for hours. We are in love with the lightweight formula that soaks up excess oil, which I so need because obviously I have a really oily T-zone. So let's have a look. All right, so it's literally just a translucent powder. So that is cool. Oh, I didn't say how much this pink luster was. That's £5 for that one. So your Luna by Luna translucent powder is, so this is a deluxe mini, I'd say, 20 mils. Is it 20 mils? 17 ounces, it doesn't say. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, so this is £17 in the shops usually. So there's your, that's Luna by Luna. And then the next thing on the list is This Works. I'll pop that there. And that says it is a in transit camera close-up. You will be ready for your close-up with this cruelty-free mask, moisturiser and primer in one. The powerful blends of repairing plant oils, hydraulic acid, argon and sunflower oils plus a hint of caffeine result in a revitalizing formula. This is the perfect way to rapidly erase the signs of fatigue, boost hydration and prep your skin for photo shoot perfect makeup. We will see about that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having a go at this. Now this is the deluxe mini, 20 mils, and this is usually £17. For your full size, which is 40 mils, that's £35. So again, we've got a good lot of goodies, so to speak, in our glossy box. And last but not least, we have got the Sleek Divine eyeshadow palette, and it's called Oh So Special, and they're the colours that you get on the front. So they're quite nude colours. I keep looking down there because he keeps moving. I'm like, what are you doing? So yeah, these are quite nude and neutral colours, so that is going to be fantastic. So that is what we get in our glossy box. So if you want to go for glossy box, it is a really good thing, actually, I think, because you get all of this stuff and you pay, I think it's £12.95, and that includes your postage as well. If you want a discount, I can pop a discount code below and you can get a discount. So I shall pop the code down below if you would like to have a go at this. I think it's fantastic, and the boxes that you get, they're really imaginative with decoration and things that you get. So next month in November, I think we're getting a Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, which is worth £18. So that's good, and it's good. It tells you all the information on your wee sheet. So I'm just going to pop all of this back into here, like so. That is my glossy box for the month of October, and I do love that colour. Fabulous. So that is my glossy box unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm very sorry it's a bit quick and hectic, but that's my life at the moment. I'm trying to get off that. I'm also cooking dinner as well, hence why I'm in the kitchen. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you are new, then thank you so much for joining me. If you are returning, then thank you. If you are not subscribed already, then please do. It's free, so why wouldn't you? And you look after yourself, look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk, and remember, keep creating!